This is the Woodford 30238 plastic stem screw. This piece just ensures a secure connection between the faucet handle and the faucet itself. Now this piece will work for Woodford outdoor faucet models 25 and 27. Now it does have a squared end that's going to connect to the handle, and then coming down you get a large set of male threads. Got a thread count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total threads. And then coming up to the opposite end, you got 2 little plastic fins here and then into that opening there. So we're going to go ahead and get a couple dimensions, starting with a total length. So from end to end, it's going to measure right at about 1 3/4 inches. And then outer diameter here at the bottom, going to be right at 3/4 inches. And then outer diameter of the square is right at 1/4 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford 30238 plastic stem screw.